Well, good evening, everybody. It's a little after 6 o'clock on Friday evening, and I had to redo the video because I inadvertently put our address in the video that I posted the other day, and Coco pointed out to me that that was probably not a good thing to do. So anyway, this is the front of our house, and now that the sun is low on the horizon, you can see a little bit more. It's a little bit brighter on this side. This is the northwest facing side with all the big windows. The front door there. And that is a church pew that we got at a yard sale in Apple Valley, California before we moved here. And that is the city of Mesquite, Nevada over there. We're a mile from the Nevada state line here in Arizona. And we have this wraparound porch. We got some porch furniture, patio furniture, whatever you want to call it. Have a refrigerator out here so that we can entertain. White leather couches that are weatherproof. I brought the hot tub over here the other day. And we got some weightlifting equipment here. I'll go back around to the front. Try to keep the phone out of the sunlight. I still have this ceiling to finish with the 1x8 tongue and groove pine boards that are stacked over there. Now we'll go in the front. Since I left the door unlocked, I was able to get in here. And here we've got the kitchen. This is the end of the great room. This room is about 55 feet long and about 24 feet wide. The bar top for the island. Coco had one requirement for the house, and that was that the island faced the great room with the cooktop on the right and the sink on the left, so that she could be doing things in the kitchen and not be away from the conversation. That door takes us into the pantry room. That's a side-by-side refrigerator and freezer. I'll go through the pantry door. Got our brooms and stuff hung up here. We got the laundry. That's the door back out to the porch on that side. Washer and dryer here. There's a tankless hot water heater up in the wall up there behind that panel. And that water heater is actually just a hot water storage tank, because when the HVAC unit, which is a geothermal ground source, there's the pipes coming out of the ground up into the wall there. When it's running, it generates hot water. So we needed a tank to hold the hot water that it generates to help the tankless water heaters that are in the house. We've got one up there that serves the laundry here, and the hall bath is on the other side of that wall right there. And then this is the pantry. Lots of foodstuffs and small appliances that can be taken in whenever they're needed. And there's a ladder here for getting up there. And then the kegerator in here. It's got Michelob Ultra in it right now. and plenty of wine. And then a liquor cabinet that's pretty well stocked. So we can entertain. And the sidebar over here with the popcorn maker on it. And I'm back in the great room. You see the views out the windows. There's Mesquite over there again. And then up that direction is St. George, Utah, about 42 miles away. That's looking northeast. And we've got a huge, very tall, about a 9-foot tall barn door that Jim Pedersen and I built. Took us 2 days to build this door. It goes into the master bath. And master shower. Tile all the way to the ceiling with a nice bench in the corner. Love the shower. It's got a properly sloping floor so that the water drains properly into the drain. 2 vanities, and then into the master bedroom. There's a big walk-in master closet there. All the cat stuff over here. And we got our Kachina dolls out of the boxes the other day. Sent them all up. And then back into the hallway. This is the bar on the side. And going this way down the hall is the office. Basically a small bedroom that we're using as an office. If we ever need to use it as a bedroom, we can. And the end of the hallway is the third bedroom where guests would stay, and Kiki will get off the bed whenever guests are here. He likes to sleep in here. And then this is the hall bath. Same tile as the master bath shower around the tub. And then behind the door in the hall bath is linen shelves. And if you notice, all the doors in the house are knotty alder. They're all hardwood, all natural. All I did was sand them down a little bit and put polyurethane on them. Each door got 3 coats of polyurethane on each side. And then all the door frames are the same. They're knotty alder. Including the barn door from the great room into the master bath. It's also knotty alder. So we kept everything the same as far as that goes. All right. Well, that's the house, and we're done. So thank you, and I appreciate all your following us and watching the progress, and your comments are appreciated. Thanks.